Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a product that's essential for anyone who owns a trailer, the TK64 trailer floor coating. Let me tell you, this stuff is a game changer. First off, let's talk about application. It's a breeze. No mixing, shaking, or diluting required. Just grab the included 3/8-inch foam roller and get to work. And since it's water-based, cleanup is a piece of cake. Now, onto performance. This coating is tough as nails. It protects your trailer floors, ramps, and walls from abrasion, making it perfect for automotive, industrial, and agricultural environments. Plus, it's water-resistant and boasts a non-slip, textured finish, so you can trust it even in the most demanding conditions. I also love the versatility of this product. It adheres like a champ to a variety of surfaces, including wood, painted surfaces, clean bare metals, and concrete. And with 2 coats, you'll have the peace of mind knowing your trailer is fully protected. But here's the kicker. This coating isn't just durable, it's also safe to use. It's non-flammable and self-extinguishing, so you can apply it with confidence. The only downside? You'll need to make sure you're working in temperatures of 60 degrees Fahrenheit or higher during application and curing. And if you're in a location experiencing temperatures below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, you'll have to hold off on shipping until it warms up. Overall, I can't recommend the TK64 trailer floor coating enough. Whether you're hauling equipment for work or hitting the road for a weekend adventure, this stuff will keep your trailer in top shape. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.